Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. It's true. I've been cancelled from Facebook. You've probably seen the title of the video, and you've probably seen the thumbnail, so I'll get into that in a moment and give you a bit of a backstory of what's been happening over the last few weeks behind the scenes, how we got to where we are, and essentially what we're going to do from here on out. So this isn't the usual type of video, so if you're looking for a compilation, this isn't it. This is a bit of a behind the scenes editor, creator talking to his fans, I suppose, just let you know what's going on. So if that's not of interest to you, click off now. There'll be some other video suggestions in the comments, so check those out if you're after a compilation. Usual business, of course, will resume 4:30 every Friday. So if that's what you're after, wait till then. I'll see you later. If you're still here, hello. Thanks for sticking with us. I'll do my best to keep my points concise. I don't really want this to turn into a rambling video. So before we get into it, I'll just set the scene for everybody super quick. So essentially, we all know Robin Hood Dashcam's a YouTube channel. It's a bit of fun. To try and get more people to view the content, we also have a Facebook page and an Instagram account where we share some of the videos and posts and various other bits and pieces. We had a Facebook page sat there, not really doing a great deal. Both myself and the person I run the channel with didn't really know what to do with it. Neither of us were particularly into Facebook personally. We don't have them anymore. Just society and trends have just moved on, and Facebook isn't used as much, or so we thought. But nonetheless, we decided to put some videos from the channel onto our Facebook page. And to be fair, I do have a bit of a vault of content stretching back 6 years now. So with that in mind, video after video, we slowly drip fed it to Facebook. It took a while, but after a while, certain people started to watch it. More and more people were interacting with it, sharing the videos, etc., etc. And it seems that most people were enjoying it. I've got to be honest, though, did get a lot of online abuse. That just comes with the territory. There's probably quite a few people, as mentioned prior, who discovered this channel through Facebook. And for those of you that subscribe, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, so yes, we got to about Christmas last year, 2024, and we'd been posting videos and really heavily, sharing content and trying to, don't want to sound too corporate here, but drive the footfall, as some would say, from Facebook and convert it to YouTube. Apologies for using the wanky corporate terms. But there we go. The best way I can describe it, really. Anyway, that was all going on. So by Christmas, we started in June, and then at Christmas we took stock and we had a look, and by 6 months we've managed to accumulate 10 million hits. Now that I'm quite proud of. It's not a flex because I wasn't making any money through Facebook, and the Dashcam channel doesn't make any money through Facebook or Instagram. Our only real small minor income is from YouTube. I don't sell any merch. It's like other channels do. I don't push things. I don't have sponsors. I try to keep my channel sponsor free because I don't want to tell you to buy HelloFresh or YFood or some app or some Dashcam. That's just not my bag. I don't want to sit here and advertise as such. It's just not my thing. So anyway, yeah, 10 million views. Really impressed with that. Loads of interaction, loads of follows. We've gone from about 600 follows to around about 25,000. And then we had a problem. And we had a problem on the 4th of April. I have my phone hooked up to the Dashcam channels for obvious reasons, just so I can manage it when I'm on the go. The other person who runs the channel with me as well, he's the same. We have everything hooked up to our phone. Both of us got a ping on the 4th of April to our Facebook app saying your page has been suspended. Okay. So I picked this notification up. My partner who runs the channel left it. I picked this up and had a quick look at it. Essentially, the page had been totally suspended, hidden from view, and we were unable to post any content. Anything that was scheduled to be released was frozen, and essentially we couldn't do anything. What was the crime? What's the charge sheet, I hear you say? What have we done wrong? Instantly, I was worried. Have we shared a clip and upset somebody? Have we had someone maliciously go in and report us for jealousy reasons? I'm not sure why you'd have jealousy reasons, but welcome to the internet. There's all kinds of weirdos out there. What was the reason? What was the root cause? And it turns out that the page had been flagged by someone, not AI or an algorithm, but had been flagged by someone as imitation. Now you're probably thinking, that's imitation. What do you mean? Well, apparently the content I'm posting isn't mine, and I'm not the real Robin Hood dashcam. I'm imitating another Robin Hood dashcam. So I had a look on Facebook, and I couldn't see any other Robin Hood dashcams. I had a look in the video section. I ran a quick reverse lookup on one of my clips to see if it was being posted elsewhere. It wasn't. I'm a bit confused, to be honest with you. Doesn't really make a lot of sense. Long story short, I went back to Facebook, or Meta, whatever you want to call them, and basically said, look, you've got this wrong. Well, I'm not imitating anybody, but please tell me who you think I am imitating. I sent it over to them, filled out the form, hit appeal, and my appeal came back in just under 5 minutes. Now that says to me that wasn't reviewed by a person, but that was reviewed by a bot or a piece of AI. And essentially they said, no, you're wrong. You are imitating somebody. To this day now, and I'm recording this on the 26th of April, I still don't know who I'm supposed to have been imitating. So, ever so strange, ever so weird. Apparently, that was the crime. I can reappeal it after a certain amount of time. On YouTube, for example, you can run an appeal, and even if you are rejected, you can reappeal later. But I think you have to give 90 days or something. That sort of mechanics aren't part of Facebook. So we're a little bit trapped at the minute. I'm keeping the page in inverted commas open, just so I can do something with it and interact with it. But I can't publicly share it. I could start a new page, to be honest with you, and start from scratch. But at this point at this point, I'm not sure if it's worth it, to be honest with you. The Instagram page is still live, and I'm posting reels and pictures there. So if that, I might start doing that instead. What's frustrating though is since the 4th and since the appeal has failed, I'm still getting regular communications from Facebook saying you're a top creator. Post something, share something. Don't lose your fans' engagements. Have some discounted credits. They wanted to give me £20 worth of Facebook marketing credit for $9.99. Are they dumb? Are they stupid? That simply won't work because I can't do anything. The page is suspended. The only good thing that's really come out of this is that thousands and thousands of people have seen the content, which is that's pretty awesome in itself. And if you are one of the 27 or 28,000 people that followed and you're watching this video and you wonder what happened, now you know. If you found us through Facebook and you've found us on YouTube and moved over, thank you very much. All the content will be on YouTube going forward, of course. But if you're still here at the end of this video and you were just earwigging and wanted to know what was going on, there you go. Normal dashcam compilations, as mentioned prior, will be posted at 4:30 p.m. every Friday. We're going to still keep doing that. So yeah, for now, thank you very much for sticking with us and being part of our YouTube tribe, if you like. And I'll see you again soon. Cheerio.